How to change YouTube playback speed on mobile device. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube. Now head towards the video for which you want to change the playback speed. Just open the video. Now at the top right you'll find the settings icon. Click on that. Different options will pop up as quality, playback speed, captions, lock screen and additional settings. Head over to the option of playback speed. Now from here you can easily make changes. If you want to make the video faster, you can set it to 1.2x, 1.5, 1.75x or 2x. But in the case you want to slow down the video, you can set it to 0.25, 0.5x or 0.75. Now you can play the video. The playback speed of the video will be changed. So this way you can easily customize the playback speed of any of the YouTube video. So that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.